Hello. Today I'm going to explain working with XML and CSS. CSS, what is XML? XML is nothing but extensible markup language. It's same like HTML, but the difference between HTML and XML is like HTML just sees how to display the data in a web page, and XML just sees and just verifies how to carry the data from one page to next page. Why we use XML is nothing but some people are don't like to share their database so on, and this XML is used to give a nice like encrypted manner, passing their data from one page to the other page. And then we just he in X. What is the difference between HTML and XML? XML is like there you have a defined tags like div tags so on, and in XML you have predefined tags that you can create whatever tag you can name, whatever you can name, and you can give a CSS style for the tag what you gave in XML. We'll see this one exercise using XML. It is asked to create an hierarchical view like library, book, and so on, title and all. We'll use. We'll go to the code now. This is the first code. How to create an XML is this is the main tag what you have XML, and then this is the tag what you use to how you implement the other files in the XML file like XML slash dash style sheet type text or CSS, and href reference of the whatever file you are going to give, so new css. Then here you will have a root value is like just a library, and after that you will have a childs. The book, for the book you will have one more so many childs like a tree, like a root and node and leaves. So you'll create a library and you'll get a book, and then you will have a title, author, and BID, book ID, edition, and publisher and the price. And so that I have created so many books here for one library root tag. Then I've closed the tag. Here you no need to use any defined tag like div tag, paragraph tag to do that. Whatever tag you give, it gets come. Then you'll go to CSS style, and CSS style you will just give whatever tag you wanted the style for. So you'll give library, and then you will give the background and with whatever style you want to give, and for the div tag, and for the div tag, and for the book tag, for title tag, so on. And then that you give the values. This then you'll run. Here you will how to check this one is we'll use validate XML, validate got checked, and then how to weave this one using a weave. That you got the value weave here. Whatever values you have given in this, you will get the values. So book 1, book 2, book 3 are the uh, second level nodes for the library root. That you got the values, and here I have given some effects using div tag for this books to highlight the page. And then here you can create a DTD which checks the values. So you will use generate DTD. So here just ask for what you want to generate the DTD. So I have given the same value, and let's give OK. Then that's the new DTD gets generated. DTD is nothing but it have a defined rules, so you will have a defined rules for that. If you click in NetBeans, directly it gets generated. So coming to this, how you define a DTD? Nothing but element library, and then book slash. So library have a hierarchy values like book, so you'll include book in this. And then for book you have so many children, so you use all the children's here. And then for again for div, you don't have any value because it's a leaf value, so you will just put pc data, some data. And then for the everything you will have the pc data. This will are defined rules in xml, so that dtd checks the rules of xml. That's how you create dtd in xml. Thank you.